Hi everybody, it's me George here. So I decided to do a few more Minetest games. Wanted to try out some of the mods and see how well it plays, and doing it without adding like the thirst or the hunger mod, because it kind of handicaps the game, and it's Minetest is more for creative type ways of playing the game other than some of the survival. Enable damage is put. So what I did is I enabled 3D armor, farming plus. In the hunger mod, just the hut, because I can't do the armor without that. I have the mesa cons, all of that. The mobs, the more blocks, the more ores. Pipeworks, I'm not doing NSS, not so simple mods. I'd be dead so quick. That whoever created that mod is a genius. Anyways, techniques, torches, unify inventory, and the weather pack. Yeah, so we get rain and snow and wind and the different lighting and the cloudiness and stuff like that. So that's what I enabled. So let's go ahead and start the game. And I mean, there's so many different ways to, play this game. Let's see. Looks like it's all desert. No. Yeah, got some green in that area. All right, so I thought we were in an all desert area. Well, right there you could see the cacti. Yeah, it's a lot of cacti. All right, let's go by the green area. At least we still have some water in the area around here. What I want to do, let me get some wood. Let's get started there. Anytime you start the game, that's like the one thing I would say to try to get a resource is wood, because with wood there's a lot of things that you could go from there. Create pickaxe, you could create an axe, shovel, sword, many different items that can help you get started, because from those tools you could create other stuff that can help you get more resources. So we got that. Let's do this one here. That red mushroom, poisonous. The brown ones are not. The thing that sucks at the brown mushroom, it only gives you half of heart life, where the red, takes away 1.5. It's not fair. But that's how the game is. So I just want to get one more tree trunk here real quick. There we go. Let's gather up all the little saplings so we could grow some more trees. And let's put one there. And one there. It's always good to replant. Let's see. Where else can we go? Let's go this way. some more. Well, while we're here, might as well get some wooden planks. Get some sticks. Create a wooden pickaxe. Let's get some coal while we're at it. Let's also get some stone because we're going to need at least some of it to help us with some other resources, like a better pickaxe, like a stone pickaxe, which will cut a lot better. Oops. What the hell am I doing? There we go. Alright. Looks like the light. Let's get the red rose. Heard. Ah, great. It's raining. Heard a sheep here. Well, at least I got red roses. Could help me with the making of a bed. But I need sheep. I heard a sheep here. I don't see one. Alright. Well, maybe the sheep died. Fell in the water or something and got killed. Let's see. Any here? Nope. Nope. Okay. Nothing. Alright. So, let's look and see what we can do. Good home would be down there, right by the lake. Alright. So what I'll do is this. Uh-oh. Let me kill it. So I don't have to worry about it later. There we go. Thought I saw another one there. Alright, so... Oh, yeah, great. I love how it just drops monsters, like, right there in front of you. Alright. Let me kill this one. There we go. Alright, so I was thinking I could do it right here. This would be a good spot for the house. I can see everything. Damn rain. Alright, well, let's get some bamboo reeds here. Papyrus. Alright, let's move some of this stuff around. Hold that back. Let's put that there. There. Let's get... No. Let's use the hand. Rather do that. Alright. Need to fill in this spot right here. So what I'll do is I'll just use my hand and start digging. get as much dirt. Now the dirt that I need here, let's get more roses. In the game you can use it for many different tools. Use it as a platform to stand on, to fill in spots that you need, like in the ground, or use it as padding or something. There are just so many uses for dirt. In this instance, I'm just gonna try to fill in all this crap. So you can see it's starting to get there. Alright, let's get some more dirt. At least we got plenty of flowers. So for dyes and stuff like that, we should be okay. Oh, it's daytime. Let's see. I know a lot of people who have played Minecraft and then played Minetest says, wow, this is easy. You can modify the game a lot better. And you can't. It's, in my opinion, Minetest is a better game. Period. Than Minecraft. Not just only because it's open source, it's also because it's easier to modify. And you don't have to pay. That's the other thing. So you're not sitting there paying, what, close to $30 for Minecraft? Or you got an open source version where it's just as good and it's pretty much almost the same. People say, no, it's not. I go, yes, it is. Finish. Finish this up. Let's see, I got a nice wide area here. I think that should be enough. Let's clear up flowers around here. Flowers could be useful later. All right. Let's move that off. All right, so I have an idea. I was testing out a design for a house that I really liked. So what I want to do is this. That's north, that's east. So that's east, and that's west, that's south, and that's north. Okay, we'll have the main area facing this way. Alright. Alright, So, oh, stop raining. Finally, about time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's count that. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So we're going to start out with an 11 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry about that. Damn phone. I don't know you. I'm not answering. On vibrate. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So we got 11 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. So we're going to do 11 by 11. And everything. Oh, sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Need your wool. Damn it. Well, it's only one piece of wool. I need 3 because I don't know. It's easier when you have. Well, here's the thing. If you have 3 pieces of wool, you need 2 pieces of red rose for the red dye. So you need 2 pieces of red wool, 1 white, 3 pieces of 1 plank, and you have a bed. And if you put a stick on the top, it's a fancy bed. So, it's not bad when you could kill that one sheep and then bam, you got yourself more than enough wool. You got those 3 pieces of wool. Sometimes you only get 1, 2, or 3. It depends. It's kind of random. But there are times where I played it and I'm like, damn it. Oh. Perfect. You see, I got 3 that time. And I got even more meat. Perfect. Perfect. All right. See how it works? It's nighttime. It means the dirt monsters are going to be here. Yeah. That's why I say it's best to get started finding a spot for your house and try to see if you could get your house started. You should be able to get enough resources to get started. If you're just starting out and you need something fast, just a quick little hut, like if you even have dirt, you could do that. You could use dirt and make a small little hut made like a 5 by 5. But here we got 11 by 11, and we got a lot of dirt. All right, we gotta remember southwards that way. Okay. So, question is, I dug this hole 1 block down because I'm gonna put a wooden floor. I'm not going to be on top of dirt. Have a house on top of dirt. We need wood. Let's see. Actually, no. You know what? Here. I'll tell you what. Let me do this. Let me set home. There we go. This way, let's go to unify and do the same thing there. Okay. Let's put that there, that there. Actually, now that we have everything we need for a bed, let's make a bed. So 2 pieces of red dye. There we go. Now we got 2 red wool with the white wool. 1 piece of white wool. 3 pieces of wood plank and 1 stick for a fancy bed. There we go. And what we could do is place that, put it on. Good night. There we go. Now it's daytime. Now I don't have to worry about the monsters. So I want to go back and more sheep. We won't need that much wool anymore. This time there's more sheep. And you'll find more sheep in the grass areas. You won't find them in the deserts or in the snow areas or the jungle areas. That's why if you need to survive and you need meat and wool because of the sheep, yeah, you need to be in the plain and grass areas. So what I want to do is get some pine wood, some more sheep. There we go. Now, we got some more here. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Okay, no more sheep. Let me see if there's any pine. Ooh, apples. Let's get some apples. There we go. Let's see. Let's see if we have any cold areas. You can find pine there. At least the jungle trees are close by, so if I can't find any pine, I could just do jungle wood. Let's see. No, I'm not going to find any. All right, let's head home. So what we'll do is we'll go across the water here and get some jungle wood for the floor. All right. Let's see. Let's make an axe. There we go. Now, if you do 11 by 11, that's 112. So we need 112 pieces. Oops. Wrong tool. If you use the wrong tool for the wrong purpose, it can wear it down even faster. So make sure you're using the right tool. I think about 15 should do. Just have a little extra. Let's type home. It's just faster. All right, and it's not cheating too. No. Oh shoot, it's not enough. All right, I thought it was gonna be enough. No. Looks like I'm gonna have to go back. There we go. Let's see. Why the different type of woods? Well, because the look and feel is different. And you'll see what I mean when I built the house. When you use different type of woods and styles, that's why the more blocks comes in handy. You can have different designs and stuff like that. It just makes the place look a lot better. There we go. Let's do this one. Let's see. Yep. All right. Let's head back home. All right. So let's put that away. Let's fill this up. And it's better to have wooden floors instead of floors that is dirt. There we go. Whoops. It's starting to get dark again. Gotta keep on going, even through the night. And most people don't understand that if you don't have a bed and you're in that situation where you could just, oh, I thought I had enough. Just one more. Oh, I thought I had just enough. Okay. Let's put the bed out. There we go. Now it's daytime. Let's put that back. Let's get a few more. Don't you hate it when you're building something, you just have one more left, and then you're like, ugh, how could I have screwed that one up calculating that? I thought I had just enough. Just get a few more. There we go. And there we go. Okay. So that's south. Let's take a look here. All right, so put that away. Three by three. No. What is it? So it's really 5 by 5. Just say 5 by 4. One, two, 4, 3 by 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Yeah. Trying to remember how I was testing it out. I did it before. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. Whoop. There we go. All right. Actually, we're gonna. Well, no, I got plenty. Let's do it all. There we go. Alright. May still have to get some more wood. Yep. Damn it. See how much wood you have to go through? It's a lot of wood. Alright. Let's get 10 pieces of wood. I think that should do it for the floor. See how it can mess things up? You don't really get it right and have enough supplies. You can never have enough. It's sometimes very hard to know what you're going to get until you try it. Alright, that should be enough. Let's head back. Let's hack the rest. There we go. So now we got the foundation. So this area would be the main area of the house. That's south. This will be the furnace area, the cooking area, and this will be the storage area. Upstairs will be the bedroom, and downstairs we'll have the basement, which will have the other tech mods and stuff that is in the mason cons and techniques and pipeworks and all that stuff. So let's see. What we need next is, actually, let me reset home. Yeah, I'll leave it over there. That's still fine. Now what we need next is, let me get the bed out. And let's place the bed here. What we need next is some stone. Oh, still not fully night yet. No, there we go. There we go. Okay, so we need plenty of stone. To get some stone, saw some caves over here. Could probably get some from there. Probably while we're there, let's get some more coal. Yeah, bad to you too. Get some. All right, let's get started. Gonna need a good amount of stone because we need to make the walls and the windows and the stuff like that. All right. The wooden pickaxe broke. That's okay. How do we make a stone pickaxe? See how much faster it is? Because we need to make the walls and the separation and all that. And you're going to see a really nice fancy design too. Because I've seen Nathan use the type of block design that I use a lot. Let's see. We're in the 40s. Let's see if we can get up to the 80s or 90s actually. And the whole purpose is to make a nice big house, really unique design. It's kind of dark. Let's make some torches. There we go. That's better. It's just easier to see. Plus, with the video, if you're watching it, sometimes if you watch it on TV or on your smartphone and you're watching these videos, a lot of times when people are sitting there digging or mining and it's dark, you can't really see what the hell they're digging or they're at. You know, it just makes no sense. Put some light, make it easier for people to see. So I just showed you an example of that. Come on. There we go. Get up to 99 and then I'll stop there. There we go. Let's take that line. There we go. Got some more wool and meat. Oh, damn sheep. Even more. Oh, I don't know. Maybe in this world, the multiplier for sheep has been really, really good. All right. So, look at that. 37 pieces of raw meat, 28 white wool. Well, why if we had the other pieces, it would have been 31. So, oh, so let's get started. Let's put 20 in a block like that. We should get about 80. All right. Make sure. There we go. That way. Yeah. All right. These are the little corners right here. Whoops. Are meant to be for the trees that I'm going to put right there on the sides. There we go, and now we have the back door entranceway. There we go. Damn rain. It's raining where I'm at too, on top of it. For real. Okay, so we got the initial part started. You know what we could do? We could probably put... Let's do that. Let's put jungle wood. Not the jungle wood... wooden flooring. Why not? Whoops. Oh, we need one more. Damn it. Let's put the bed out. It's nighttime. There we go. You know what I should do? Let me do this. Make it easier for me. Let's make a boat. Forget how to do a boat. Yeah, there we go. It's just faster that way. Okay, let's get some more pieces of wooden blocks. Now you can use whatever you want. The design I have it is a unique design with the stone and the wood together, you know, on the corners blocks, and it's something I can't. It was an idea that I liked, that I've tried before, and I've seen other people tried it similar to what I have created. And let's. And I know some people are going to say, no, I actually came up with it. No, to be honest, I think everybody has. Well, I could say this. It's a lot of jungle. Here we go. We got some more here. 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 Let's get a that's it. There we go. Just one more. There we go. Whoops. There we go. Let's move that out of the way. Actually, let's move the axe out of the way. Alright. There we go. Let's do it up to 3 blocks high. There we go. There we go. All right, so we have it on the outer and the inner part of the house. Let's see, let's put this back on. And whoops. And oops. There we go. See, you can start seeing the structure and everything with the walls and everything. And we're gonna need more stone. We're gonna need more wood too. All right. Go. That's weird. It's like a wall of dirt. What is a wall of dirt doing right in the middle? I've seen creations where they've done like version 7 on the map generator where it will generate this little island in the middle of the air. And I'm like, why would it do that? It just does. It just happens. See that? Look at that. Weird. Whatever. Let's see. Let's try this. Still raining outside. Broke. Need some more sticks. Sticks go quick. Actually, let's get rid of that. There we go. There we go. Make it easier for me to get to this area. There we go. And I got some tin. Tin is helpful in techniques. A lot of people say, it's crap. No, it is really helpful. Don't knock it till you try it, as they say. Let's see. Let's put one here. Take that one away. Now we're just about at 99. There we go. Let's go home. Whoa. All right. Let's set home here. There we go. Let's make again a special brick. It's called stone tile. Let's finish this up. There we go. See how much better it looks? Much better. Let's see, we need to make just a regular door. We need 2 of them. Let's move all that. There we go. Let's see, what else? Oh. Let's put the bed out. Sleep. Alright, so that's the north, that's the south. I think I'm going to leave it at that for now here for part 1, and then I'm going to do part 2, and we'll continue on, and we'll, hopefully this rain will stop, and we're going to do the roof so we can get out of the rain and make the second floor as well. So I'll be back, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.